I woke up today and decided I need an LS motor in my life. Yeah, let's do that. So today, with all the normal things going on, I have to go and I got to pick up I got to go pick up a Chevrolet V8 for my 1969 C10. So I figured, you know what? LS is life. Gonna booby trap Zach when whenever he got here. I don't think he knows that the extent of the hee haw David Allen Co. I've gone to impress him with my love for the LS motor. So we'll see. I hear a Subaru coming. So that's Zach. Should be pulling up any second. So we're gonna catch his reaction underneath my my forklift here, pretending like I'm working on something. Hey, what's up, man? Oh, hi. I'm working over here on the forklift.
I don't have a ring yet.
Zach's on the phone with his girlfriend getting chewed out about why she's not engaged. And my argument...
No, she's not chewing me out. Her grandma wants us married. Her grandma went on a speech.
You guys can get married. You guys can get married. Money is no object when you have no money.
No? Is that?
I got an LS motor, so I had to look the part.
Now you need a Harley.
Hey, Zach, you know the best thing about Toyota blocks? You know what they are. They're stamped on them.
Well, there's a stamp too, but
Yeah, behind the transmission.
yeah.
Yeah.
But you don't need to know what it is. It's fucking LS. Is all you need to know. My bad.
It's a
Can't believe
L99.
that now.
I can bleep it. You can say fuck pussy shit. I can,
For real?
yeah, I
Can I
beep.
say cunt?
Yep, it's just gonna be beep.
Ah.
So we're gonna take this LS and put in this Corvette. Over here in LS heaven now.
But they won't do that.
Yeah.
Even the new ones.
Yeah.
No, they're actually nice. We're just too poor for that.
Yes. No budget.
There we go.
No budget, no money.
No fucking budget. Can't tell me how much to spend.
That's right. God, the sun's bright. So now that I've got my LQ9 LS, whatever you want to call it, truck motor, here's my C10. It's over at my mother and father's property, but this is the truck that it's going to go in. And I did get rid of the mustache. It was funny for a little while, but I didn't like it. So I got this truck whenever I was 14 or 15 years old. Whenever I was in high school, saved up some money over a summer doing odds and ends stuff, and my dad said, we're going to get you a truck. That's the truck we got. We pulled out of a junkyard, and it actually took 3 other trucks to put together. Had it ever since. I'm super sentimental about it, so I figured, might as well put it back together and start driving it some. But spent an entire summer piddling at a paint and body shop and working on it and everything, and good memories with that. So gonna try to put it back together and have some more good memories with my son with it. Strangely, the brightest color yellow that I could pick, and I want to repaint it white. But yeah, that was a dumb 16-year-old decision for all the yellow. But yeah, you live once and you do stupid shit. So anyway, so that's the truck it's going in.